Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm such a scatterbrain that I totally forgot to film an intro for this video. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this Valentine's Day inspired look, then just stay tuned. All right, so first I'm taking this Dew Color palette. This is the Reality palette. And inside I'm taking this dark shade right here. It almost looks brown in the pan, but it is like a reddish, deep reddish brown. It's really pretty. I'm going to take that onto an angled liner brush and just kind of sketch out where I want this eyeshadow cut crease to be. I'm keeping it really thin in the middle here and then just applying a little bit more upwards to the front of the eye as well as to the back of the eye right here where it curves. Now I'm going in with that deep red and just gonna blend that upwards. So you guys may have noticed that I am in a new spot now. I have moved my vanity to my bedroom so that way the makeup room, like I like to call it, can now go to my youngest child. So that's now his room. And yeah, I have my vanity set up in my bedroom. And I actually switched vanities. So if you guys would like a new vanity tour, let me know and I can totally do that for you guys. I really like this setup a lot better. There is my storage in the other vanity was a lot bigger, so I did have to buy more storage for this new vanity, but nonetheless, I do really like how everything turned out. It's all like wood grain, so it really matches my bedroom. We've got a warm, woodsy kind of theme going on in here, so yeah, everything is very cozy and comfy, and yeah, I really like the new setup. All right, so now I'm going to add the pink into this look. So I'm going to go in with the Pillow Princess palette by Makeup Institute of Los Angeles. I'm going to go in with Purr first, and then we will use Brat and Pretty Girl to kind of further blend that and transition that upwards. So starting out with Purr. And now that I've got Purr down, I'm just gonna further transition that up, blending upward using Brat and Pretty Girl. Hopefully everyone had the best Christmas and New Year. I have been so super busy, and I'm sure you have as well. Just that time of the year is just full-blown craziness, and then it's like gone in a split second. I am also going to take that lightest shade and bring it on over to the middle of the eye right here. And then just to deepen up that dark red area, I'm just gonna take a little bit of black liner and just place it right there, as well as back here towards the outer corner. And then we will blend that out using that dark red again. Now I am just cleaning up that lid area, making everything super sharp. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that same color scheme on our lid, but I'm gonna be leaving some space in between this upper part and the lid part. And we are also going to start with the darkest color and work our way back. So I know a lot of people set goals or resolutions for themselves for the new year. Some of my goals or resolutions started actually last year. So I've been really sticking to it and keeping with it. And yeah. One of my goals, well, not really a goal, but it just kind of happened and I haven't gave in, was that me and my husband stopped drinking. We are musicians, so we would get into the habit of being in that kind of scene or in that atmosphere. And it gets pretty easy to get wrapped up into that drinking bar atmosphere because you're around people that are doing it constantly. But I can happily say that I have not drank since October of 2023, and I'm really liking how I'm feeling. I'm very clear-minded. My motivation, I'm more motivated. I'm more alert, more aware of what I need to do and how I need to get there. I'm really liking the outcome of not drinking. And I am getting older, so hangovers do last 2 to 3 days now, and that's, that's no fun. I love staying busy and love being busy, so when I spend a day, 2 to 3 days recovering, that's not fun for me. So I just don't see the fun in it anymore. I used to go out all the time when I was in my early 20s, and now I'm just kind of like, I don't see the fun in it. Like, I'll go grab a mocktail with you. I'll go watch you drink, but yeah, like I just don't see the fun in it anymore. So yeah, that is kind of a goal that I'm trying to keep with. Another goal of mine that I started last year was my water intake. I'm so bad about drinking water, you guys. I just don't do it. It's not like I supplement it for soda or anything like that, because I don't drink soda either. I just don't drink enough water like I should. So yeah, we are upping that water intake. I have noticed a big difference in my skin, you guys. So if you're wondering, why does my skin look like this? Or what can I do to help my skin? Less wrinkles, less blemishes, this. Try water first. Try upping your water intake. I promise you, just a little bit of hydration may be what you're lacking. Speaking of being a musician, another thing that I wanted to get back to was writing my own music. I am in a cover band, so it's really easy to get wrapped up into singing covers all the time, and you kind of lose yourself creatively in the music department. And yeah, so that's something that I have kind of thrown myself into full force, and I've gotten back into writing. I've written, there are 4 complete songs lyrically. One has music to them and the other 3 do not. So we are working on that at the moment. But yeah, I would love in 2024 to be able to record, if not some of them, all of them, and maybe put a little, EP or album out there. It's literally been like 9 to 10 years since, maybe even longer, like 10 to 11 years since I have put out anything that I could call my own. So yeah, I'm really excited where this new musical journey is gonna take me. And then I'm just taking that lightest shade and finishing up that lid area. All right, so now I'm going to take this metallic eyeshadow by Hard Candy Cosmetics. I don't know what the name of this is because none of them have the names on the components, which really sucks because anytime that I go to list them on my Instagram, I have to like Google what the name of each one is every single time. So yeah, I'm just going to put this into that blank space. It's adding a really pretty pinky iridescent sparkle. So I have this face and body glitter by LA Colors, and I always want to use it, but I never do. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that and place that right on top of that metallic shadow we put down. And then I am taking the Lunatics B-Day Cake glitter. It's really, really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the true, oh, there it was. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just going to place a little bit of that right on top. But yeah, you guys, I am pretty much just staying in my own lane. I have so many gigs coming up, acoustic and full band, like it is crazy. The acoustic list of shows were already booked all the way to August, and there's already So many gigs on there. I might have bit off a little bit more than we can chew, but we'll make it work. Like I said, I love staying busy. If I'm not busy, then I get in my head, and that's just never a good thing. So, all right, so now I'm taking Hank and Henry's Jitterbug liquid lipstick. I'm just placing this into my waterline area. I'm not saying you should do this. Do it at your own risk, but I am doing it. And then we are going to do the same exact color scheme on our lower lash line that we did everywhere else. I'm also going to use a little bit of Jitterbug and wing out this area right in here, kind of like we did over here. Something that no drinking has taught me about myself, though, is that I have bad anxiety, you guys. And now I know that the reason why I would go so hard when I would drink was because I was masking that anxiety. And now I'm learning how to deal with that anxiety being sober. And it is definitely a new experience, a new journey. And I'm learning a lot about myself in the process, for sure. Placing a little bit of that metallic shadow right into the center of that liner that we put down. And then I'm going to take this Jurassic World X Perfusion Cosmetics Raw Jelly Highlighter. And this is such a really pretty highlighter, and I hardly ever use it. It's like super jelly. Look at that. I'm going to apply this to my cheek right here. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I'm also going to apply this to my inner corner. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so pretty. It's even more pretty in person. Let me turn this light down so you guys can see. Ah, so pretty. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this stuff, and I hardly ever use it. And now that I've gone through all my products and I've moved them into new cabinets, I know exactly what I have. I got rid of anything that I wasn't going to use or anything that had just been sitting for years. And yeah, now I know what I've got and I can use everything how it should be used. So there is that. Super pretty. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this Ciate London Eye Luster Cream eyeshadow. This is in the shade Ice. Just going to ever so slightly do a little bit of this right in there, like so. Diffuse that a little bit. But yeah, just to give it a little bit more of a glitz kind of look. Going back in with some of that LA Colors glitter and just placing that right in here. And then going back in with that Birthday Cake by Lunatics. I'm just applying a little bit right in there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do this brow, and you're probably wondering why this brow is blocked out, but we will get to that in just a moment. Okay, so I went ahead and used Jitterbug Judy. That's what this is called, right? Yeah, Jitterbug Judy, which is the same thing we used in our waterline area, to go ahead and do my brow as well. And now we're going to do this area. So I'm thinking some kind of a gem heart or something. What do you guys think? Okay, so what I'm doing first is I am just kind of sketching out where I want my heart to go using that same LA Colors body glitter. What I went ahead and did was took that same Lunatics glitter and just went right over top that. And then I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to use all of the pinks out of here. These look like little conversation hearts, so I think that is a good kind of play on this whole kind of look, makes it more Valentine's feeling, and yeah, super cute. So I think what we'll do is go from hot pink to light pink, just all the way around. And here is the final look. What do we think? I think this is so cute for Valentine's Day. So I added Trace Chic Cosmetics Berry Lashes to kind of tie the look together, make it match. Then I added Jitterbug Judy, the same liquid lipstick that we used in our waterline and on our brow, to my lips. And then on top of that, I patted a little bit of that Jurassic Park jelly highlighter, as well as the metallic eyeshadow by Hard Candy. I was trying to think. Could not think. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this look. Would you rock it? Let your girl know. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.